Welcome to the first episode of my Color Smart series. I will start with Tyrian Purple, not only because it's one of my favorite colors, but also because it's such an interesting color. We will look at Tyrian Purple's location, history, psychology, how to use it in marketing, and how to pair it with other colors. So let's dive in.
Tyrian Purple is more of a dark reddish pink color, not between blue and pink where you would expect the purple to be. The first use of Tyrian Purple was around 1570 BC by the Phoenicians who lived in what is now called Lebanon. They created the dye from the mucus of a sea snail called Murex brandaris. Tyrian Purple was named after their city-state Tyre. In ancient Greece and Rome, Tyrian purple was a highly sought-after color worn by many historical rulers, including Alexander the Great. Tyrian purple was seen as the color tone of clotted blood and when worn presented prestige. The clothing worn by Roman emperors was made of Tyrian purple, trimmed with metallic gold thread. Today, the Murex brandaris is a protected species in many parts of the world. However, some artists still use the traditional methods to produce small quantities of the dye for arts and craft projects. Some studies have shown that exposure to Tyrian purple has a calming effect on the mind and can help stimulate the imagination and enhance problem-solving skills. The color is also associated with the crown chakra, which is the highest chakra in the body and is believed to be responsible for spiritual enlightenment and connection to higher consciousness. In ancient times, only the wealthiest could afford Tyrian purple garments, which made it an exclusive and luxurious color, an association that still exists to this day. Using Tyrian purple as a primary or accent color in a brand's visual identity gives a feeling of luxury and exclusivity. This can be particularly effective for high-end products or services such as luxury perfume, fashion, jewelry, or hotels. Using Tyrian purple in product packaging can help to differentiate a brand from its competitors. It can also help to convey a sense of premium quality and exclusivity to consumers. This is such a beautiful photo, but let's see the effect that Tyrian purple will have on it. Tyrian purple can convey the idea that wearing the fragrance will make you feel luxurious and special. It can be used to create a sense of exclusivity and luxury. Tyrian purple and gold or silver make for a luxurious combination. The deep, rich purple hue of Tyrian purple is complemented by the warm, radiant tone of gold, creating a regal and elegant look. A soft pastel pink can be paired with Tyrian purple for a romantic and feminine look. This combination is perfect for weddings or other formal events. Adding earthy tones to Tyrian purple communicates organic and exclusive. Works very well with floral or berry products. Adding some bright colors can make Tyrian purple a very fun color to play with. Will work perfect for a young female target audience. So, according to me and accessibility rules, red and darker red just do not go with Tyrian purple in a marketing scenario. Black text and Tyrian purple text on black is also a no-go. 1 out of 7 men and 1 out of 200 women are colorblind and would not be able to see it, which means a big number of your target audience will not be able to receive your message.
If you would like to know more about the Murex brandaris sea snail or the Phoenicians, you can find the links below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.